After that, we have how does competitive rivalry, competitive behavior, and competitive dynamics affect the company. Although Netflix is the market leader in the industry, but its competitors are very strong. Moreover, the competitors of Netflix are in growing stage and some of them have well connected value chain. Therefore, Netflix is proactive, spending huge amount on marketing and other promotional activities in order to remain the market leader in the industry. After that, we have what is the purpose of company's value chain and identify the types of value chain activities of the company. So the Netflix value chain model includes wholesalers and retailers, order fulfillment, distribution, scheduling, processing, and storage. The company operates a digital media rental business. In that case, the outbound logistics include services that deliver digital media to the customers through downloads or streaming. So the value chain. So the primary activities. Primary activities of value chain at Netflix are inbound logistics. Inbound logistics department at Netflix is responsible acquiring, storing and selling digital media like movies and web series. Outbound logistics. They provide customers digital media through streaming or downloading. Operations. Just like other firms, operations department is responsible for turning inbound logistics into outbound logistics through efficient and effective processes. And value chain consists of marketing and sales services. After that, we have supporting activities. In it, we have infrastructure, human resource management, procurement, and technical development. And now we have competitive profile matrix, also known as CPM. So we have considered following factors: label equity, innovation, worldwide touch, and model, and personalized material and subscription, diversification of the material, and developing the community content and providing the relevant content. And we have also given the scores to the Netflix, Blockbuster, and Wal-Mart to make a CPM. After that, we have the external factor evaluation, also known as EFE matrix. So we have considered following key external factors. In opportunities, we have the streaming of online video is increasing and providing opportunities, and diversification of the products and other areas besides films are still untapped and waiting for marketing and promotional opportunities. And another opportunity is the Indian market and the industry at regional level is enormous area of gain. And after that, we have threats: destructive innovation shrinking the demand for DVDs, increasing operating costs and international costs, improving operating costs and average prices. Increasing operating costs and international costs, improve operating costs and average prices. Increased prices and subscription will change to alternatives for the customers. After that, we have internal factor evaluation. So we have strengths and weaknesses. So let's consider strengths first. So we have online video service leader and video provider leader, and increase membership and pool of customers and a positive image of the brand. Focused on improvements to innovation and the internet infrastructure. Following a strong channel of distribution and improved service delivery. Now we have the weaknesses. User is completely supplier dependent. failed to reduce the cost of setting, subscription, and creation of user, content ownership, and reduced revenue from its licensing. And we have considered weights and ratings, and after that we have gotten the weighted score for each factor. After that we have ground strategy quadrants matrix for the company. So we have placed the company in first quadrant because Netflix has a strong competitive position and a rapid growth of the market. We can infer that the great strategy matrix of the Netflix is located in the matrix quadrant 1. After that we have internal external matrix. So we have basically placed the company in a strong and high column because the weighted score of the company is between 3 to 4. After that we have the Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix known as QSPM. So we have considered strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So firstly let's discuss strengths. Leading in the online video service and video provider, increase membership and customer pool and positive brand image, focused on innovation and internet infrastructure improvements, following a strong distribution channel and better delivery services. And in the weaknesses we have user is completely supplier dependent, failed to reduce the cost of setting, subscription and creation of the user, content ownership and reduced revenue from its licensing. And after that we have the opportunities. Streaming of online video is increasing and providing opportunities. Diversification of the product in other areas besides films still untapped. Waiting for marketing and promotional opportunities. Indian marketing and the industry at regional level is an enormous areas of gain. After that we have threats. The destructive innovation shrinking the demand for DVDs, increasing operating costs and other international costs, improve operating costs and average prices. And finally, increased prices and subscription will change to the alternative for the customers.